Hey there, in today's video we're going over the night mode feature on the iPhone and how to use it with our lenses and filters. The sun is starting to set, so let's get started.
To shoot in night mode, you will open the camera app and navigate to photo mode. Look for the moon icon in the left-hand corner. If it's grayed out, it means that night mode is available but not auto-enabled, as the scene is too bright. If the moon icon is highlighted yellow, it means that it is auto-enabled and ready to use. Tap the upward-facing arrow and then the yellow moon icon at the bottom to adjust the exposure time. Hold your iPhone as still as possible or use a tripod during your night mode capture. The yellow moon icon indicates how long, and a countdown will also appear above the shutter button. When shooting in night mode, using a tripod will be extremely useful, since your iPhone sensor will be open for an extended duration. It is more susceptible to shakes and blurring of your image. Now, just frame your shot and shoot. You have to be patient to see what comes into view, but play around with the exposure duration and framing until you find the perfect combination. Here we have a shot that I took at the beginning of the night with the default resolution. The next one is RAW, and finally with the night mode manually enabled. You can see that the image is overall far more bright, and there's even motion blur on the water from the long exposure. The next one is taken much later in the night, when it is dark enough to be auto-enabled. I took off the telephoto lens and just wanted to use the standard lens, so I could have a baseline of what it looked like. Then I added the telephoto 2x to see the zoomed-in quality. Night mode brightened the image dramatically and boosted the color in the photo as well. Shooting without night mode, you can see that the picture quality would have dramatically decreased, even if you were shooting RAW. Night mode is also great for urban photography. As you can see, the 2x was able to zoom into the building, but it is night mode that is amplifying the light sources in the windows and on the roof. Here I used the wide lens to capture the statue and the high-rise together in one shot. Without the wide, the camera was only able to capture the statue. But with the wide, you can instantly broaden your view, and then with night mode, you can capture all the detail both in the foreground and the background of your image. Then I went to Torrey Pines Beach at 10 p.m. to see if night mode could really handle extreme low light conditions. Still using the wide lens, I was blown away by the results. Setting the exposure to 30 seconds, I was easily able to capture the beach scene in bright, vivid color. You can also use night mode with our filters as well. For example, the cloud filter. But choose light sources that are further away, because night mode combined with the cloud filter will actually amplify your light sources dramatically and may even turn off night mode if it is too bright. As you can see from the photo here, neon signs and lights are a great subject to shoot in night mode. It amplifies the color and the glow, so you can get that dreamy glowing effect of your subject. I hope this video helped you when using night mode on your iPhone and has inspired you to create some of your own low-light masterpieces. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. If you have enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Thanks for watching and happy shooting!